Hey everyone, John Henry here, Slingshot Futures Trading Group, SSFTG. Obviously, if you couldn't tell by the layout of the video here, we're doing our next giveaway. This is giveaway number 2 of 4 on our road to the 2,000 subscriber mark. You'll notice we're at 1.95K. The next giveaway is going to be at 1.975, and then finally at 2,000, and then we'll be all caught up. As far as the giveaways go, out of the 4, and then from there, it's every 500. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, make sure to watch this video. This is the video that we posted on June 25th, going over the giveaway and all the details going forward. That way you can get filled in on what I'm talking about. For this video, though, we're going to be picking our second winner, which is super exciting. So let's take the video link here. We'll copy this, and we'll paste it over right here. Let's see, we want to filter duplicate users. I don't want the same person multiple times, so if they had a bunch of different comments, I don't want that. Include, yep, that's fine, that's fine. So as far as comments are concerned, there are 16 unique comments. All right, let's see who wins the raffle this time around. Let's click Start, and let us see. Paul Kaufo would love to get the course, love the videos, good luck to everyone. Oh man, what a fantastic comment too, a good sport about it and everything. Fantastic. All right, Paul Kaufo, I'm going to be looking at figuring out a way to get a hold of you. You are the winner this time around for the second giveaway. Congratulations. So, Paul, I'll reach out to you and see if I can get a message your way. Otherwise, feel free to shoot me a message, jhb@ssftg.com, and we'll get you going from there with the appropriate coupon code. So, congratulations on winning that one. And yeah, let's get our road to the 2,000 subscriber mark. Remember, the next one is at 1.975. So we're almost there. We only need another 25. That's not too far away. And don't forget to put your comments in that giveaway video. It saved Paul several $100s, so it's working out pretty well for him. That's going to do it for this one. I hope you had a fantastic day, and we will see you all in the next one. Thanks. Bye.